If you want to grow your YouTube channel, then here's a list of not 5, not 10, but 25 YouTube growth tips that are guaranteed to drive your channel into the ground. So here's my list of YouTube growth tips, but they're all completely wrong. Number 1, post infrequently. People love mystery. Post only once every few months to keep your audience guessing. Don't have any kind of structure whatsoever and just keep them on their toes. Number 2, ignore thumbnails. Who cares about thumbnails? People will watch your videos regardless of what they see first on the YouTube home feed or wherever they choose to watch their videos, so just leave them completely blank or random. Number 3, make every video 10 plus hours long. The longer, the better. You want to reach those 4,000 hours of watch time. People definitely have the time to sit through hours and hours of content where you just drone on forever, right? Number 4, completely ignore the comment section. Interacting with your viewers is overrated. Just pretend they don't exist. No need to build a community. You're only on YouTube to make money and serve yourself, not anyone else, so don't worry about your YouTube audience. Number 5, monetize immediately with every possible ad. Turn on every type of ad as soon as you reach that monetization status. People love seeing a 10-minute video with up to 7 ads or more. It will definitely keep them coming back to watch more of your videos, so just don't worry about it. Number 6, copy other channels word for word. Originality is overrated. Just copy the most successful YouTube channels word for word and you'll be just as successful as they are. Don't worry about copyright infringement, that's not your problem, it's someone else's. Number 7, use clickbait in every single title. Even if you're making a video about cooking, make sure the title says something like, I got attacked by aliens. Views are views, right? It really doesn't matter. It won't have a negative effect at all on your channel, and it would just keep people coming back to watch more. Number 8, ignore video quality. There's absolutely no need to bother investing in equipment or learning anything about lighting, sound, or visual representation on your videos. Your phone camera or an old webcam thrown in your drawer from 2007 will do absolutely fine with crackly and tinny audio, so don't worry about it. Quality does not matter. Number 9, spam your link absolutely everywhere. Go to random forums, Facebook groups, and even unrelated YouTube comment sections and just spam your link everywhere. People love to see spam. Number 10, make your videos all about adverts. Forget about your content, just make a complete video, full 10-minute video, and complete an entire advert for something else and somebody else's products. Your audience won't care. They're there completely to watch a whole video about commercials. So just do that. Number 11, never ever experiment with new and exciting content. Stick to one type of content forever. If it works once, it will definitely work 1,000 more times. Change is very, very bad. Number 12, ignore your analytics. YouTube gives you analytics tools for fun. There's absolutely no need to check them, no need to see what's working or where your viewers are dropping off. Do not worry about the analytics, never check them, never look at them, they don't mean a thing. Number 13, be as negative as possible. In all of your videos, constantly rant and complain in all of your videos. The more negative energy you can bring to YouTube, the better. People love a bad vibe and love all of that negative energy dragging them down. People love it. Number 14, make sure you buy your subscribers and views. Building a YouTube channel is really, really difficult, and I'm always talking about how hard it is to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers. So why bother to build an audience naturally when you can just buy fake subscribers and views? It's totally not suspicious. Don't worry about it. If your video has 100,000 views but 3 comments and no likes, don't worry about it. Speaking of subscribers, if you're enjoying this video and want to see more like this, then please hit that subscribe button below so that I can grow my audience naturally, because that would be much, much appreciated. Thank you very much. Number 15, forget about the SEO. Keywords, tags, descriptions, none of them matter. The YouTube algorithm will just magically find your videos without any help whatsoever, and it will push you out to everyone, and you'll get 10 million views on every single video. Number 16, YouTube is easy and anyone can grow on YouTube without putting any effort in, and you'll probably go from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in only a few videos, and then you'll be rich and famous. So if you want to do it, just do it. Number 17, you don't need to niche down. Don't bother about trying to find a niche. Just be the little fish in the ocean trying to help everyone. Make videos on tech, gardening, cooking, motorbikes, shopping, vacations, books, anything and everything. People love variety, right? So don't bother trying a niche, just make videos on everything. 18, you'll never ever ever get a negative comment. People are so lovely on social media and in the world, and you'll only ever receive nice, happy, positive comments from your loving community. You'll never get anything negative, and you don't want feedback because you're perfect as you are. So don't ever worry about feedback at all. Number 19, use lots of text in thumbnails. People want to know what they're clicking on. A thumbnail doesn't need to be bright or vibrant or catch the attention of the viewer at all. If it's a great video, they'll definitely watch it. So put as much text in your thumbnails as possible so they know exactly what they're watching. Number 20, once you reach that magical number of 1,000 subscribers, you will be rich. Reaching 1,000 subscribers is the end game for YouTube. The very second you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you've essentially completed YouTube. You'll get tons of brands flooding your inbox, offering you thousands of dollars to work with them. You'll be on TV shows and podcasts, and quite frankly, you don't need to do anything more or put any effort into YouTube. Once you reach that milestone, you'll pretty much just become a celebrity overnight. 21, start as many channels as possible. Don't just start one channel. Why not give yourself the best chance by creating multiple channels? Why not have 20 YouTube channels with different niches, different videos to upload, different communities to grow? Variety is the absolute spice of life, and it will give you the best chance of success to have as many YouTube channels as possible. Next up, ad revenue will be your main source of income. Once you reach monetization, you'll start getting paid by YouTube ad revenue. You absolutely do not need to worry about diversifying your income by creating your own products, using affiliates, or anything else, quite frankly, because ad revenue will make you thousands each month and let you live a life of absolute luxury on a beach in the Caribbean. Next up, upload every video in a different language. Keep your viewers on their toes by uploading each video in a different language. Doesn't matter what language it is, just make every video in a new language. See how many new languages you can reach. Just upload every single video in a different language to keep your audience guessing. Next up, use the loudest background music possible. Make sure that your music in the background is so loud that your viewers can barely hear your voice. It will create a fun challenge for them to understand what's going on, and they'll have to concentrate a lot more. And finally, at 25, let's just bring this back down to reality. Now, as much fun as it was making this video, these strategies are guaranteed to completely sabotage your YouTube growth, and they're used far more often than people care to realize. They might sound stupid, but there's so many people that are still using these strategies today, and it's absolutely destroying their YouTube channels. And a lot of people don't understand why it's killing their growth, but it is absolutely guaranteed to kill your YouTube growth. So avoid all of these strategies at all costs. Now, if you want to know what's actually working on YouTube and you'd like my help to grow your channel the right way, then click the link in the description below. And if you did enjoy this, then please subscribe, because I every now and then like to make a little fun video like this, because it just keeps things different, doesn't it? Because we all know the videos I can make on how to grow on YouTube and the right way to do it, but every so often it's fun to make videos on the ways you shouldn't be doing it. Keep watching. Thank you very much.